Hey guys, switching address in Monzo account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open Monzo in any web browser. As I don't have any account on Monzo, I will guide you through the process on how you can switch your address of your Monzo account. So, for you to actually update your address or home address in Monzo, first you can update your home address in the application itself. So, you need to use your personal account PIN or your fingerprint or your Face ID, confirm that it is you who is actually accessing the application. So after that, you need to head to the home tab. Then you need to tap on your profile icon. If you don't see your profile icon, you can swipe down on your card. If you need, then tap on the settings cog. After that, tap your name, then scroll to your address. And from there, you can edit your address or add a new one to switch your address. So this is actually how you can switch your address on your Monzo account.